Highway driving assist helps the driver maintain the distance from the vehicle in front and the set speed to keep the vehicle centered in the lane. Press the driving assist button on the steering wheel to toggle HDA. Use the speed adjustment switch to adjust the vehicle's speed. And the vehicle distance button to adjust the following distance. When the vehicle in front stops, your vehicle will also stop, while keeping the proper distance. If the vehicle in front starts moving within a short period, your vehicle automatically starts moving. If you activate the turn signal, it assesses whether a lane change is possible and ensures that you change lanes safely. If you stop holding the steering wheel, a warning message is displayed. If you keep your hands off the steering wheel, HDA is deactivated. The steering wheel uses a capacitive sensor, which turns off the warning if you simply touch the steering wheel while driving. If you are wearing gloves, the hands-off warning message may appear. Highway driving assist can be set in the infotainment system. For safety, always be sure to hold the steering wheel while driving.
Kia, movement that inspires.